It's Fashion Friday. Making a bolero jacket. Nice to wear over your formal gown, or you could wear it with jeans. It's up to you. Sort of a satin material with a dragonfly design in it. Just a few words about this this pattern. This is a half-line jacket, so it actually only the body, this part, front and back, are lined, but the sleeve is not lined. So when we put it together, we kind of sew the lining in, and then we have to match the seams to before we insert the sleeves into. So you have to put the lining together with the pretty side of the jacket. You need to put it together first, leaving your armhole open, and then you match the seams on the armholes, and then you go ahead and insert the sleeve into the hole, into the armhole, and you will actually be using gathers and you know, kind of spreading them out around so that you don't get any puckers, and yeah, any puckers or pleats. And this is like a satin fabric with the dragonfly embroidered on it. And then once we have the sleeves in, I'll go ahead and finish the neck, and then I will model it for you. But here you go. It is a pretty interesting fabric. You can wear it, dress it up, or you can wear it with jeans if you like. It's really up to you how you want to use this beautiful piece. So let me go ahead. I'm going to do a little press on this to press out the seams at the bottom, so we get this nice and flat before I put the sleeves in, because it does make a difference for it to lay down the way you want it to once you get to put the sleeve in there. Okay, so I'll press that out, and I'll be back in a moment. Don't go anywhere. Share this video out. Subscribe to see more Fashion Friday. You know, there's always a fashion show at the end, and yeah, it won't disappoint, I promise you. So let's go over to the ironing board, and I'll be right back. Okay, here I'm attaching the seam binding to make the casing for this neck stay. So we're just gonna add this on here. Just remove the pins as they go along. using the fold in the the bias tape to sew this in. Yeah. Once we finish this part, it'll be time to put in the sleeves. So I'll complete this and I'll come back. Okay, so right now, this is the casing for the stay. Hang in with me. Okay, we got something caught up in there. Let's see what that is. Okay. There we go. Just making the casing. Make this as even as we can. Nice and neat. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. And then, as I said, after this, we'll go ahead and put the sleeves in. Okay, we're going to set in the sleeves now. Try to keep underneath clear so that we don't get any folds or tucks under there. And just keep going all the way around until the sleeve is in. You always have to keep moving your fabric. Make sure nothing is getting in the way underneath. Keeping it clear. And removing the pins as we go. Pins or clips, whichever you use. When I'm setting in the sleeve, I use pins. So less chance of slipping. So I use pins. Okay. We're almost there with the first sleeve. Smooth out underneath. Keep coming around. Smooth out. Sometimes you gotta smooth out some of the gathers so that it can go in seamless. Okay, one sleeve is in. We'll get the other one in, clean it up, and then we'll try it on. And now we have it. A nice little over bolero to wear over that little black dress on a cool summer night. Welcome to Fashion Friday with Tutress Designs. See you next time.